Welcome back. Again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. Today is Tuesday. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm Mr. Full Profit. Everything that we're going to be discussing is all about educational purpose. It should be your own diligence, your own homework, all right? So today, like we were talking about, we mentioned it before, I have few followers that mentioned that they wanted some more update when it comes to the Pinbar, and we're also going to discuss about a couple of upcoming stocks that's going to be important on Friday. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to look for the earnings stocks, all right, for this week coming up. So stay tuned at Mr. Full Profit. We're going to go ahead and get closer. As you guys can see here, this is all my monitors that I need as we getting closer. As a matter of fact, this is my 1 hour chart. We SPY. Remember, we drew that line. This is called resistance. Okay, so this is my 1 hour chart, and this is my 4 hour, and this is my daily chart, and this is my minimum chart, which is early entry chart. But today was beautiful. Today SPY gave about $5.37, so that was a nice uptrend. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it closer, but let me go ahead and discuss a couple of things with you guys. I understand every day that we trade, you don't have to force a trade. Sometimes it's best not to trade at all. Okay, like today, perfect example when it comes to SPY under the as you guys can see under the chart, right? This is the 4 hour chart. Let's just go ahead and do a quick breakout. The purpose of what I'm talking about, pen bars, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and get it closer so you guys can see closer what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna get it really close. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna go ahead and enlarge it as we go along. Okay, a pen bar. What is a pen bar? This is my 4 hour chart. Okay, let's just pay attention. Remember, the gray shaded area is aftermarket, and the darker side is while the market is going. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google real quick, and let's go ahead and put pen bar candle stick. All you have to do, just go to the images. It's simple as it is, all right? You have different demonstration what a pen bar looks like and how should you trade it. Let's go ahead and just use that one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and enlarge it, and that way you guys can see it. It's a little tough here, but the pen bar, it's pretty much like a reversal of a candle. It's a push of a candle from a high to low, and again trying to push to a high point. Okay, so perfect example I'm gonna go ahead and give you. Okay, look at this pen bar. Let me go ahead and get closer. This is a perfect example, as you guys can see. You have usually 3 red candle, sometimes 2, and after that you have a full candle that went down, and usually is pushing up as a bullish. So usually what I like to tell my trader, always put a line across on top of that green candle, like a line, and once it breaks it, the next candle, usually you could go ahead and take your position. Usually that's the case. But whenever you do that, you always got to put a stop loss, at the bottom of that candle if you're trying to minimize your stop loss. It could be 2%, 3%, whatsoever, okay? So now, this is an important situation when it comes to SPY. Remember, yesterday we discussed that we needed SPY to get up to 575 for it to be bullish, fully bullish. As you guys can see here, this is my daily chart. Again, I know it's kind of confusing, but this is my 4 hour chart, and this is my daily chart. You always want to trade before you do anything in the morning, look at the daily chart. You see how he's doing a little pullback, and again it wants to push, and again my moving average of the MACD, I call it that, exponential, it's above. So all we need right now, 2 more points, 573.17. We need 574.71 to break. As you guys can see, the best way at Mr. Full Profit that we like to take a trade is wait for it to go up and use this line as a pullback. And after that, take the position. Understand me. Again, be aware. At Mr. Full Profit, we take smart trade. Okay, not all the time we're gonna be right, but at the same time, you have to use your common sense. That's all it takes. Now let's make it clear. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get it closer again. I'm sorry about that. I'm a one person studio, but again, I just want to make sure everyone understand. I'm gonna get it closer. Okay, so that way you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to the pen bar under the 4 hour. It doesn't matter where it's created. It could be under daily chart. But if you look at this candle here, nice pullback, and this is a pretty much was up there, a pullback. Now you have a strength that's telling you the bull is trying to push it. Now, it doesn't always have to be a full green candle. It could be a red candle. It doesn't really matter as long as it's a pen bar. This is a third pen bar. So that's a strong push definition that is trying to tell you that it wants to do something. Now, again, I want to be clear. Okay? I want to be clear with my students. Look, you put a line on top of that pen bar, and guess what happened? Let it ride. Since it was pre-market, for the trader that do early trade, they could have took that position here. They would have got some juice at 568 to all the way 573. So that's about $5 run, right? Correct. But you don't have to take that full. But if you were sitting here, this is why it's important in the morning to go ahead and look at all your chart. Because if you look at the daily or the 5-minute chart, you don't see too much movement. You see an uptrend, consolidation, and a breakout. But again, it's above the moving average. So with all those technical, it kind of help you out. Okay, so I just want to make it clear. Now, let's go ahead and go to Finviz real quick and see what's happening here. I'm sorry about that. It's called finviz.com. Okay, it's important. Go ahead and take notes. Please go ahead and take notes. We're going to be doing a lot of those throughout because the earnings just starting. What you're going to do is that you're going to go to Screener. It's a free platform. You know, you could upgrade it, but it's pretty much free for all traders. You're going to go to Finviz, right? You have all this descriptive, fundamental, technical, news, and everything. You have something here called earnings date. In order for you to know, prep yourself tomorrow or the week what's happening, what you need to do is go for tomorrow. You could go for tomorrow and it'll give you all the stocks that's getting ready, all the tickers, right? We don't have anything important here. But if you put on a weekly, this week, look at that. JP Morgan coming in. BlackRock, BLK. That's important. Okay? So you could go ahead and just go to your BLK. And it'll tell you once you put it in, you click on, let me go ahead and move that. You could go ahead and click on those 2 dots automatically, and it tells you under 11 before market open that you're gonna have the earnings. Okay, so I just want to make it clear, it's pretty simple. Take a swim. If you guys have any comment, like and subscribe, and ask me information. You could write comments on my YouTube channel, and I'll be able to respond to you in a timely manner. All right. So BLK, as you guys can see, it's a choppy. You guys see the difference of that chart? It's really everywhere. But when you go to the other stocks, let's go ahead and try Costco. You see how beautiful Costco is right now. A nice pullback. It did a retest. Now it's doing an uptrend, 874 to 889. You know, it's trying to rebound. Beautiful. Costco is not going nowhere, team. It's a great company. It's been on an uptrend for the longest. So this is the basic that I wanted to go ahead and give you guys on the basic information. So go ahead, whenever you have a chance, go ahead and follow me on YouTube and write your comment, like and subscribe for me to get more information to you guys and learn slowly. There is no reason. Everyone is a professional trader. Just take the baby step. You're not going to be rich overnight. Okay? My goal is to take about 30-40% a day of your full and account value. Take baby step. Do it as a paycheck, and eventually you could grow your account. Don't think tomorrow because, oh, there's a pinball, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Nah, it takes a lot. Overview of everything. You have to invest in yourself. Just like a business. This is a business. You invest in yourself. Let's go ahead and try QQQ, the NASDAQ, and see how we're looking. Beautiful. You see, now if you look at this, QQQ is in a nice rebound. So according to what I'm seeing right now, beautiful. Look at all the spin bar that happened during pre-market. So if you're a trader like me and look at the MACD, there is no reason why you wouldn't make money. So again, thank you again for joining Mr. Full Profit. We're going to go ahead and leave you with this information, and we're going to be ready tomorrow to make more money. All right, so stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thank you very much. And stay safe with this weather for all the South Floridian. Thank you very much. And also, what does it say? Focus on Mr. Full Profit.